Hello children. So here we'll see the question that could be framed. So from the second, that is page number 35 of the lesson Landscape of the Soul. This line is the last sentence. The landscape is an inner one, a spiritual and conceptual space. Comment on it. Anyway, it can be asked. So here I've tried to write it down in different points just for uh, the simplicity, just so that you could understand it in simple terms. But while writing down the answer, you have to write down in paragraph. Don't forget that. So the classical Chinese painting is different from the Western European painting. Classical painting doesn't reproduce the real scene, and there the European painting reproduces realistic pictures of what he sees. Then the Chinese painter expects the viewer to try to understand the spirit within the painting. Here in the European painter expects the viewer to see as he sees it. So this way these three can be raised to frame an answer, a short paragraph. Another one from the same page, from the same content which we went through in the previous part. Contrast the Chinese view of art with the European view with examples. So here Chinese art is spiritual, the European art is illusionistic. Okay. Then here the Chinese art reveals the spirit of art. Here it's the perfect imitations of nature. Here the painter shows emperor the way, that is through example. So here we can mention the example of the painter where he shows the emperor the way to the cave, inside the cave, to go inside the cave and interpret or analyze the painting in his own way, according to his own viewpoint. Here the painter, another story from Europe where a person enters the studio of a painter and paints a fly there over his latest panel, and the painter is not able to recognize the painted fly there, and he is so happy with the art of that person and agrees to marry him to his daughter, that way. Then this one, what is the horizontal scroll? So this also we mentioned there, that it adds a dimension of time which is unknown in any other form of painting. It also requires the active participation of the viewer, and physically or mentally. Frame more questions and write on there in the copy neatly.